With Power Related List, you can seamlessly showcase related or non-related data from various objects, delving into up to 5 levels of hierarchy. The flexibility doesn't stop there. You have the ability to add more than 10 fields to the related list and many more features to fulfill your requirements. Power Related List provide unparalleled accessibility by strategically positioning them anywhere on your Lightning pages, flows, and community pages. Let's create configuration for record page. Select Related List component. Click on plus button beside search. Provide a label and select page type as record page. Select the object and click on Save button. Select the record to preview from the list of records. Now select the child relationship object from the list. Here, you can select the related object up to 5 levels of its hierarchy. Now select the display fields that you want to show on the related list. Similarly, select the search fields. In filter criteria, apply the filter to see the desired data. Click on the Order by button to apply order to fields to see ascending or descending. Click on the Table Action button to add custom table actions. Give a label, select action type and object, and click on Save. Similarly, you can add custom row actions. Moving on, click on the related list icon, choose your preferred icon from the list, and click on the Apply button. Now save the overall configuration. Let's add the configured related list on the account record page. Begin by navigating to the app launcher. Search for account and click on it. From the list view, open any record. Next, click on the Setup button located on the page and choose Edit Page from the drop-down menu. Now, locate the Power Related List component and drag it to the desired location on the page. On the right side of the page, select the appropriate configuration name from the list, and then save the configuration. After saving, click the Back button to navigate back to the account page. You should now see the related list displayed on the page. Similarly, you can create and add related lists to non-record page as well.